It's moving so fast. It's about, that lightning was inside of it.
No, you're okay. It's right now. Right now, it's okay. Oh my God,
It's passing.
You're passing. You're passing. You're through. You're through.
You're through it,
Are you okay? You're safe? You're okay? Okay, you're through.
It just passed. You're through, girl.
You're through it. Call WWL right now. Send them in. Okay, you're through. Y'all are okay.
Better not turn this way.
What's your 20?
New Orleans tornadoes touched down Tuesday night, March 22nd, causing major damage in Arabi, the lower 9th Ward, Lacombe, Mandeville, and other areas. One person was killed in Arabi and multiple people were injured. Drone video the following morning captured the extent of devastation in Arabi. Widespread damage was reported in St. Bernard Parish. The multi-vortex tornado ripped through. The multi-vortex tornado crossing through the lower 9th Ward, New Orleans East.